If you want to delete your Vrbo account permanently, follow these steps to ensure your account is removed completely. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Vrbo website and log in using your credentials. Make sure you're accessing the account you wish to delete. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to the account settings. This is usually found in the upper right corner of the page under your profile or account name. Step 3. Find account deletion option. Look for an option related to account management or privacy settings. There should be a section that allows you to delete or deactivate your account. Step 4. Follow deletion instructions. Carefully read the instructions provided for account deletion. You may need to confirm your decision by entering your password or answering security questions. Step 5. Confirm deletion. After following the prompts, confirm that you want to delete your account. You should receive a notification or email confirming that your account has been permanently deleted. Once you have completed these steps, your Vrbo account will be permanently removed. If you have any issues, consider reaching out to Vrbo customer support for assistance.